Along with mask wearing and social distancing, disinfecting is a key component in slowing the spread of COVID-19, which raises the question, how will schools properly clean? What products will they use? And are the extra chemicals safe for students and staff? In Michigan Now's Bria Jones takes a look at the precautions one school district is taking to fumigate its buildings.
We will be spraying like so.
Class is in session for the custodial staff at Westwood Heights Schools. The district kicks off virtual learning on September 8th, but wants to get ahead of the learning curve on its COVID-19 cleaning standards.
Safety is our #1 concern, so we want to try to use every technology that's available to us to create a safe environment.
Online, the Centers for Disease Control has a disinfecting guide for schools, recommending frequent cleaning and sanitizing to reduce the risk of spreading the coronavirus. David Cole with Supply Pro Division of Johnson Paper and Grand Blanc says he's been to multiple districts in mid-Michigan training staff on EPA-approved products.
What is now structured through CDC is a 2-step cleaning process where step 1, you're going to clean and disinfect. Step 2 is going to be with a electrostatic sprayer that I'm holding from Victory, or the backpack sprayer for larger areas.
The electrostatic sprayer can be used to quickly clean hotspots like cafeterias, gymnasiums, and restrooms to help with efficiency.
Our man hours are going to be tight as of now with all the expectations with if and when the students come back. This hopefully will help our custodial staff.
After each classroom is wiped down, custodians will use the product to disinfect the entire building, which we're told takes a little over 2 hours.
We're just teachers in the classrooms at this time, so we plan on doing that process twice a week right now. It'll be an every night thing if and when we come back to school.
The sprayer uses a strong bleach alternative that dries on surfaces within minutes. Cole says best use of the product will be after school, and if used properly, the chemicals aren't harmful.
They are deemed safe. You want to make sure that you're wearing gloves because you are dealing with a chemical.
This isn't the only step the Hamady Hawks are taking for safety. The district is fully stocked with wipes and sprays for every teacher in their classroom.
A ton of thermometers, scanners, temperature checks for entrances at each building.
Stepping into uncharted territory, the district says the products provide peace of mind you can't put a price on.
There's no price tag on people's lives. We're going to do whatever we can to make sure our students are welcome, make sure our staff feels, safe coming in the building.
In Flint, Bria Jones, Mid-Michigan Now.
You can find the link to the CDC's EPA-approved cleaning products and back-to-school disinfectant guidelines on our website, midmichigannow.com/school.